Today, I'm going to show you how to set up a meeting and send invites on Zoom. Let's do this.
Mini producer.
Hi, my name is Charles Diggs, and welcome to my channel where it's business for the regular guy. So thank you for coming to my channel, and you just take a moment, just hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Okay, when you first go into your Zoom account, all right, and set up your meetings, you're going to come to a screen like this here. Okay, you got profile, meetings, webinar, recordings, and settings. We're just going to concentrate on meetings. So what you have to do, you have to actually schedule a meeting. So we push this button right here, and we have to schedule a meeting. Once you schedule your meeting, you can actually, give it a topic. Just testing. Number 2. Okay, you get any type of topic you want. All right. Once you schedule your meeting, when you're scheduling your meeting, you can go down. All right, say, okay, when you want your meeting. Do you want your meeting a certain date? You just go on the calendar, all right, and make a date for that and the time. Put the time in there. Say, like, just say 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. Okay. And you can continue on. Now, on the platform Zoom, there is something that's called the waiting room. Okay. Where that when you have different people will come into your meeting, they can be put in what's called a waiting room. Okay. That helps the facilitator of the group to kind of monitor and not let just anybody in the particular group at one time. Okay, but it kind of helps with keeping things in order. Okay, so you can have a waiting room. On Zoom, you can choose to have the video on and off, but I prefer to have it on uh, for the host and for the participants. Okay. In audio, you want to have both of these on because sometimes you're gonna have individuals that are gonna be tuning in on their computer and on their phones. Okay, so you want to have both of those on. All right. Now meetings options. I'm not gonna really too much go on into this, but the different options that you can go into, like for example, you can mute participants upon entry. That means when the participants comes into your meeting, you won't hear them. Okay. This particular option enable uh, join before host. That just means that your participants will be able to go into the meeting before the host actually appears in the meeting. Okay, and so, but anyway, you have other different options here. Okay, I'm not going to go into those, but you do have those options if you want those. Okay, so now all that you have to do is save your meeting. Okay, so as you can see, I done saved this particular meeting. Okay, now let me see this here. Okay, so now as you can see, I done saved this particular meeting. Testing number 2. Testing number 2. Okay, now how do you send invites? I'm going to show you how you send your invites. You actually click onto the meeting. Okay. And now you can stroll down and there will be an actual link, a copy of invitation that you can click onto. And there it is. And then you can actually copy it. Okay. You can actually copy the invitation. Now, once you do that, let's see. Once you do that, you can actually copy and paste it onto your email. Okay, to your regular email, and whatever the subject is, testing number 2. Testing number 2. You can put it on the subject line, however you want to do it. Okay. Now, for the people, with all your contacts, whoever they are, copy and paste their addresses. And put it in there. And that is it. And you hit send. I'm not going to do this because this is just for just practice and just to show you for demonstration only. But you hit send. So that's really all there is to it, to set up a meeting and send invites to your coworkers or to your members or your participants to a program. It's very simple and easy to do. That's it for setting up a meeting and sending invites on the platform Zoom. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will have some more of these videos about the platform Zoom. So that's it. God bless you, and I'm out.